Man, school sucks. I know. Who are you? I am adopted. Okay. It's time to go to school. Okay. Man, school sucks. I know.
Where is your homework, cayou and classic cayou?
UMMMMMMMMMMM.
You both are getting held back.
I'm gonna play on Caillou Fortnite account. He has so many skins. Man, I can't believe we to be back to 3rd grade. Yeah, just give me an idea. I'm going to go pull the fire alarm teacher by his computer. Please don't do that, that will be loud. I doing it in anyways. Wow, it's loud. I told you.
You idiot, how dare you pull the fire alarm and you got held back. I'm calling your dad.
Now why did you leave me? You got me and you in trouble. We got it held back and you pulled the fire alarm. That's it, you're not going back to school for 10,000 days and you two are grounded.